Britain's military launched airstrike against Houthi targets in the Yemen on the Tuesday, but the US forces, its defense ministry said, the first public acknowledgement of the joint operation since the Trump administration escalated the US campaign against the militant group. Also, the strikes targeted a cluster of buildings south of the capital Sana'a used by the Houthis to manufacture drones, which the group uses to attack the ships at sea. Also, Britain's Ministry of Defense said in a statement released on Wednesday, also the Royal Air Force sent the Typhoon fighter jets to the target of those buildings, dropping precision bombs and after the dark following very careful planning to allow the targets to be prosecuted with a minimal risk to the civilians or the non-military infrastructure, the statement has added. All the aircraft returned safely, it added. The Iran-backed Houthi began a military campaign in the solidarity with the Palestinians when Israel went to war in Gaza in October 2023. Also, they have repeatedly attacked the US Navy ships and commercial vessels in the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden, two waterways that are critical to the international shipping routes, and fired missiles at Israel in response to the United States that has tried to disrupt the primary weapons and the destroying of the marine, that is the drones and the underwater drones. The UK has also participated in joint strikes with the United States against the Houthi before, including numerous operations in 2024. But Wednesday's statement marked its first acknowledgement of a joint strike since the President Donald Trump launched his aggressive military campaign against the group, vowing to use overwhelming force to stop the Red Sea attacks. Tuesday's joint operation was in line with the long-standing policy of the UK government following the Houthis initiating their campaign of attacks in the November 2023, threatening the freedom of the navigation in the Red Sea, striking international ships and killing innocent merchant mariners, said the ministry statement. Also, John Healey, the UK's defense secretary, said the strike aimed to prevent further Houthi attacks, adding that a 55% drop in the shipping, though the Red Sea has caused regional instability and damaged the UK's economy. Since Trump began his accompanies of the campaigning known as the Operation Rough Rider on March 15, US airstrikes have pounded the Houthis' target in Yemen, hitting oil refineries, airports, and missile sites. The US military acknowledged carrying out over 800 individual strikes in the months-long campaign, while the analysts estimate dozens of Houthi military officers have been killed. But so far, the US operation has had limited impact in harming the group's operation, and the militants have successfully shot down many multi-million-dollar American drones, hindering the US ability to move into the phase 2 of the operation, the US official told the CNN last week. Also on Monday, the Houthis alleged a US airstrike hit a prison holding African migrants that have been killing dozens.